Welcome back to Cutting Edge.
Today we're going to show you our version of Korean fire chicken, or Buldak. In Korean, bul means fires and dak means chicken, so literally it is fire chicken.
That dish became popular in South Korea during 2004, primarily for its excessive sharp taste, and set the trend for extremely hot dishes all over the country.
Stick around, it's gonna get spicy. First, we have to create our marinade, and the base of that is Gochujang, which is a Korean hot pepper paste. And I'm gonna take about 250 grams of that. Quite sticky, as you maybe can see. Let me get a little bit more. It is actually fermented rice, fermented soybeans, and chili powder or chili from Korean red chilies. Then we're going to add a tablespoon of chipotle, a tablespoon of smoked paprika, 2 tablespoons of minced ginger, 2 cloves of minced garlic, about a tablespoon I would say, they were quite big. And then we have 2 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, and then we have 2 tablespoons, maybe 3 of sake. It should have been soju, but I don't have that, so this will do in a pinch. And then we're gonna take 2 tablespoons of honey. Nice Greek honey, actually, so this is international. 2 of those. Nice. There we go. And then we're going to add a little bit of neutral oil. This is sunflower oil, probably 2 tablespoons to begin with, and then we see how the consistency becomes when we mix. We want this to be a relatively thick paste. I think that looks good to me. Maybe I'll give it just a little bit more oil to give a little bit more glossiness to this. When you have a consistency like this, we're going to add, in this case, 1.2 kilograms of skinless, boneless chicken thighs. Let's get them in there, like that. Get this out. And here I am going to put a glove, because I don't want to run around with red hands for a week after this, because this will become very
colorful, why not?
And then you want to massage this really well into every nook and cranny of the chicken. Look at the color on this. I mean, it's amazing. Like that. And when it's all mixed in, we're going to let it marinate in the fridge for half an hour. Now it's time to barbecue our chicken. I have the gas grill running, all 4 burners on high, and the plancha is running at 250, so that's perfect. I'm going to give it a bit of avocado oil, has a high smoke point, like this, and I'm going to spread that around so I don't get any excessive sticking on the pan here. It's very, very hot right now, like that. And then we're going to add our chicken, and we want to get some really good sear marks. Listen to that. We are not going to grill them for too long here, because afterwards they're also going to go in the oven. So we just want some good sear marks at this point. Wow, it smells fantastic, actually. When you get some nice searing like this, then it's time to flip them over. Ah, there you go, and it smells amazing. Look at that, it's beautiful.
Looks interesting and smells very, very nice.
Well,
let's see the taste.
Well, it's going to be good, but you're probably going to have a little bit of an issue with the spice level, but...
Let's see.
See, these here, they're perfect. I will let them go 3-4 minutes more. Now they're almost done. The rest they will cook finished in the oven. So let's get them off the grill here. They look really beautiful. Look at that. This is like perfect chicken. And the color is magnificent, really nice. I have preheated a cast iron pot in the oven here, so we can get our chicken in there. What we want to do now is we want to take it and cut it into, let's say, bite-sized pieces like this, and then add it to our cast iron pot. Listen to that. And that's where it's going to cook finished. Now we got that in. Now I just want to add the remainder of the sauce from the pot where we were marinating in. So we get some extra sauce here on the bottom for the chicken. It's gonna be nice. Never waste sauce. Here we have the last pieces. Let's get them into our pot. And then we're going to take the rest of the sauce from this pan also and pour over. Just going to level this a little bit. That looks good. And then we're going to add some Gruyere cheese to the top of this, cut in cubes like this. What do we have here? 250 grams. Make it fairly even here, like this. And then I'm going to stuff that in the oven under the broiler for 5, maybe 7 minutes until the cheese is melted and brownish. Now it's all done. Let's have a look and see how we did. And look at the sizzle on that. That is just beautiful. Now let it cool down a bit before we can have a taste. Ready to give this a try?
Do I dare to taste it? Or actually, do you dare that I taste this?
I don't think it's too bad. I made a milder version here. It should be okay also for you.
Okay, I don't really believe that, but
No.
you go first.
Okay, I'll give it a try here with some cheese. Very nice.
You're brave. You took a big piece. Very spicy.
It's perfect. It's like, and the flavor profile, it's like I'm back in Korea. I mean, it's fantastic, and it's not too spicy. I mean,
Well, it has a Korean signature, that's for sure. Very nice. If you add a lot of rice beneath that, it's gonna be perfect.
no, actually, it's perfect. This is
Well, it's
a
delicious.
really nice, and the chicken is perfectly tender and juicy, not overcooked. It's a really good one. Try it if you dare.
Have fun.